Pool maintenance is important for many reasons, the most important being the safety of you and your family. In this video, we'll discuss cleaning a pool, how to maintain a pool, and give you the rundown on pool maintenance for beginners. Swimming pools are prone to a build-up of bacteria in the water. Putting the correct chemicals in the pool regularly will stop any nasty bacteria from building up. Regardless of the time of year, leaves, dirt and debris are going to end up undoubtedly in your pool. To stop contaminants building up, your pool's filtration system works to remove these leaves, dirt and debris from the water. If the filtration system hasn't been properly maintained, then these can't be adequately filtered, which is going to lead to a problem with your pool water. So, what are the absolute top 3 things every beginner needs to know about pool maintenance? Number 1 is regular pool water testing. Regular pool water testing is important because it provides an accurate picture of what chemicals the pool needs, not only to sanitize, but also balance the water. Number 2 is adding the correct chemicals. Adding the correct pool chemicals to your pool is important, not only to sanitize the water, but to make sure your overall pool chemistry is in check. Combined with an adequate water testing procedure, like our free pool water testing, you can make sure that the chemical balance in your pool is perfect. This is going to leave it clean, healthy, and swim ready. The third most important step in pool maintenance for beginners is regular pool cleaning. Regular pool cleaning is important because it ensures that not only is debris removed from the pool, it's also removed from the pool equipment. While chemicals and filtration equipment do a great job in making sure pool water is sanitized and free of debris, without manual cleaning, it's hard to know if every part of the pool is being cleaned and all the debris is being removed. For thorough and effective pool cleaning, I recommend a combination of vacuuming and brushing to make sure that all debris is removed from the pool. If you're looking for an easier way to approach pool cleaning, you might want to check out robotic pool cleaners. These are a great investment for pool owners who want to save themselves some time. If you want to find out more about robotic pool cleaners, click on the link above. There are many variables when maintaining a pool, so don't be afraid to ask for help. If your pool is looking cloudy or green, there's always a solution. If you're worried about the state of your pool and want to find out more, contact your local Poolwerx. We'd be happy to help.